Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. I'm here in Cold Spring Township. Last time I tried to find Boxcar Rocks, I could not find them, so I brought an experienced guide now. Cole is here with me, and we're gonna go find Boxcar Rocks. Let's go. Alright, so we're taking kind of a logger road, I guess. Up here, we start climbing right away. Some little paths out into the woods. But I think we're going to head up this way and look for a path to the right to get there. Alright, so I think we found it here. Alright, all of a sudden you come out of the clearing. This was very easy. I definitely did not come this way before. Yeah, so Boxcar Rocks on top of this ridge. It just goes kind of east-west here for, say, about 300 yards or so.
Yeah.
All right, let's go explore.
Glaciers.
Okay.
But a lot of times people say that the glaciers never made their way this far south in Pennsylvania from the Ice Age.
Yeah.
So they don't really know how they ended up this way. Stacked like this.
I think I heard too, wasn't it? Don't they think it was solid rock and just cracked and then eroded?
Yeah.
Or something? Yeah.
Yeah,
These glaciers really weren't.
Eroded on either side, just revealing kind of the spine of the mountain.
It's big even up there. That is massive.
Yeah.
Hope this video does it justice, but I don't think nobody's video has captured like the scale here. I mean, that's got to be 50, 60 feet high from the base. Wow. So hopefully I gave a good sense of the scale up there. Up here, I don't know if you can tell how high that is. So, yeah. We'll climb like up in there.
Last time I think I went this way. Once you get over this little gap, it kind of it's flattened out.
Yeah.
But I want to say Kate
I just had like
Kate went, I think, along the side and then came up down here and around.
Go through a canyon here. Oh. All right. Tight fit there a little bit with a backpack. Should have left that out, but man, come out to this view. Let's look at the scale of these rocks here. It's crazy. Saying to Cole, this looks like a lot of this stuff is like conglomerate kind of rocks, like you know, pieces merged and crushed into something else. Made for a rough passage down there. Everything kept getting caught on them. Out here a little bit, that's Swatara Gap. So Swatara State Park is out there. Gap in the hills. AT runs across that ridge there from right to left would be going northbound. And then out this way through the trees over here, I guess, is Lebanon Reservoir. Alright, droney time. Always amazed by that. Show you the drop off here. I don't even like having my arm out right now.
Yeah.
And I'm 3 feet away from it. So I came down off the big side here. Saw like a little cave here, but that doesn't really go anywhere. Thought there might be some stuff down in here. Yeah, stay right there for a second, like look just for scale. There's a 6'5" coal, and I can't even get him in the frame with the top of this rock. Yeah, this place is massive. All right, so I'm happy to find Boxcar Rocks finally. Thanks to Cole, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
This is pretty awesome. We are headed to an overlook with an awesome legend next. We're going to Lover's Rock, appropriately enough, and we're gonna check that out and go over the legend and tale of heartbreak and adventure and tragedy. So we're headed there next, but thanks for watching Boxcar Rocks. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we will see you next time.